Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. If you want to go ahead and log on to starfall.com. And then once you're on there, go ahead and make your way to our calendar. And once you see that big play button, go ahead and press play.
Yippee! It's May 2020. Let's make a calendar.
All right, and then go ahead and click that green sparkly arrow in the bottom right corner. And we'll do the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay.
What day of the week is it today?
What day of the week is it today? And you'll see it up in gold here, Thursday.
Great job!
Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Okay, and then go ahead and click that green arrow in the bottom right corner. And now we can
Fill in the missing day and date.
fill in the missing day and date. Okay, so we just said it was Thursday. So go ahead and drag Thursday over. And yesterday was the 6th, so that means today is the 7th.
7th. Great job!
And once you get those filled in, go ahead and click that green arrow in the bottom right corner. And now we can
Mark any special days this month.
mark any special days this month. Okay, so this last Tuesday was two official holidays. The first of it being Cinco de Mayo. So Tuesday, May 5th, 2020 was Cinco de Mayo, or the 5th of May. And that was the day where we remember the Mexican army's victory over the French army trying to invade. And so let's go ahead and put a smiley face on Tuesday, May 5th, 2020, because that was Cinco de Mayo. And it was also Teacher Appreciation Day. So we can go ahead and put some stars too on Tuesday, May 5th, 2020, because that was Teacher Appreciation Day. All right. And then this coming Sunday is, so Sunday, May 10th, 2020 is Mother's Day. And so this is the day that we celebrate anyone who's been a mother-like figure to us. So hopefully you have someone in mind that maybe you want to make a homemade card for or something like that. So let's go ahead and put a smiley face on Sunday, May 10th, 2020, because that will be Mother's Day. Okay, and then our next holiday that we don't really celebrate here in the United States, but it's celebrated in Canada, which is this country that's bordering the northern part of the United States. So Monday, May 18th, 2020 is going to be Victoria Day in Canada. And that's the day that just remembers Queen Victoria, who was queen in Canada way back in the 1800s for, I think, 63 years. So let's go ahead and put a smiley face on Monday, May 18th, 2020, because that will be Victoria Day. Okay, and then a week after that, so Monday, May 25th, 2020, is going to be Memorial Day. And Memorial Day, we remember all the people who died fighting in our military, and people also like to pay their respects to people who are currently serving in our military. So let's go ahead and put a smiley face on Monday, May 25th, 2020, because that will be Memorial Day. Okay, and then, so this week that we're currently in, so starting Monday, May 4th, all the way through Friday, so tomorrow, Friday, May 8th, this whole week has been Teacher Appreciation Week. So Let's go ahead and put some stars on Monday the 4th. There's already a star on Tuesday the 5th. Wednesday the 6th, let's put some stars. Today, Thursday the 7th. And tomorrow, Friday the 8th. And then let's go ahead and also put some stars on Monday, May 25th, because that will be a no school day because it's Memorial Day. Okay, and then we have 2 birthdays this month. So, our friend Adam has a birthday this month, and his birthday is going to be on Thursday, May 21st, 2020. So let's go ahead and put a slice of cake on Thursday, May 21st, because that will be Adam's 13th birthday. And then the next birthday that we have is my birthday. And my birthday is going to be on Friday, May 29th, 2020. So I'm going to go ahead and put a slice of birthday cake on Friday, May 29th, 2020, because that will be my 26th birthday. Okay, so I have marked all the special days that I'm going to mark this month. You can continue to mark whatever special days you'd like to mark. But I'm going to go ahead and move on and click that green arrow in the bottom right corner. And now I can
choose a picture for your calendar.
Choose a picture for my calendar. So let's see. Since it's Mother's Day this weekend, I'm going to pick the Mother's Day picture again because I think it's really sweet. And it looks like this. Hold on, let me turn my brightness. There we go. It's the little boy who's hugging his mom after making her a homemade Mother's Day card. Okay, and then once you have a picture chosen for your calendar, go ahead and click that arrow one more time in the bottom right corner. And hooray! So we finished calendar. Okay, so let's go ahead and transition to Chico weather. So go ahead and Google Chico weather. And then remember, we're just going to use this first bit of information here. Okay, and then let's go ahead and check out our temperature for today. So we want to make a blue rectangle around temperature right here. And then once we're there, we're going to go ahead and put a blue box around Thursday in the bottom right corner. Right here. Okay. Once you have your blue box, I'm going to draw it out for you. So I have my blue box and then THU, which is short for Thursday. And then I see a picture that we are very familiar with. And it's the sun that's partly clouded, partly covered by a cloud. And then I'm seeing 2 temperatures. I see 92 degrees and 58 degrees. So we have our blue box, then THU, which is short for Thursday, and then our weather picture for today, and our 2 temperatures. So which of these temperatures is going to be our highest temperature for today? 92 degrees or 58 degrees? Or which one is closer to 100? So if you said 92 degrees, you are correct. So let's see where that falls on here. So here's 90. We can just count up 2 more. So 1, 2. So we are in the hot temperature range, and it is hot outside, so that makes sense. Okay, so if 92 degrees is our highest temperature of the day, that means that 58 degrees is going to be our lowest temperature today. So let's check out where that falls. We have 55. 55 plus 3 is 58. So we're just going to count up 3 more. So 56, 57, 58. And we're in that cool temperature range. So it will most likely be cool tonight. Okay, my next question is, what type of weather will we have today? If this is the weather picture, it's one that we're very familiar with. So if you said partly cloudy, you're correct. So it will be partly cloudy today, although I don't really see any clouds in the sky, so I don't know how accurate that is. All right, so let's go ahead and check out our precipitation for today. So we want to make a blue rectangle around precipitation. We just did temperature, now we're here, and we'll know we're there once we see that blue line. And what do we notice about our blue line? It's straight across, right? So does that mean that we are going to get precipitation today, or we are not going to get precipitation today? So to double check what we think, we're going to go ahead and look up here where it says precipitation, humidity, and wind, and see what percentage is next to precipitation. So Precipitation, and it's 0%, which makes sense because remember, if that blue line is straight across like that and stable, then that usually means we're not going to get any precipitation. Okay, so let's check out what our wind is going to be like today. So let's make a blue rectangle around wind right here. And you'll know you're there once you see those arrows and the different wind speeds. And then to check out the average wind speed today, we're going to look at where it says wind right here. So it'll say precipitation, humidity, and wind. And we're going to see what speed is after the word wind. So W-I-N-D spells wind, and 12 mph. Or our average wind speed today will be 12 miles per hour. So that might feel a little nice. It's not too much of a breeze, but it's enough breeze to hopefully break up some of that heat today. All right, so let's go ahead and now compare our weather for today, Thursday, to tomorrow, Friday's weather. So let's go ahead and make a blue box around Friday, right here. And when you have your blue box, so we have our box, and FRI, which is short for Friday, and then our weather picture for the day, which is one that's very similar to the one that we've been seeing. All right, and then we have our two extreme temperatures. So we have, I see 97 degrees and 63 degrees. So if you have your blue box around Friday, then FRI, which is short for Friday, the type of weather we're going to have, and then which one of these temperatures, we're only going to look at our highest temperature tomorrow. So will 97 degrees be our highest temperature, or 63 degrees be our highest temperature? So if you said 97 degrees, you are correct. And let's see where that falls on here. So here's 95, and look at that, there's not even any more lines after that to count up, but we are very close to 100. So we're going to just pretend there's lines. So 96, 97. So we are very close to reaching the top of our hot temperature. So it's going to be very hot tomorrow. Okay, so if it's going to be 97 degrees for a temperature, what type of weather will we have tomorrow? So this is our weather picture. This is a picture we know very well. And there's two ways to say this one. So you can say partly cloudy or mostly sunny. Google in this case says mostly sunny tomorrow. But for our sake, we're going to just say partly cloudy. Okay. So let's go ahead and rate these comparisons as if we were in the classroom. So today is going to be a high of 92 degrees and partly cloudy. And tomorrow will be a high of 97 degrees and also partly cloudy. So today, 92 degrees and partly cloudy. And tomorrow, it's 97 degrees and partly cloudy. So here we go. All right. So that's all that I'm going to do for the weather today. But you can continue to do whatever with the weather you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and move on to our social story. And I put this one into Google Slides already for you, so I can just share it like I'm going to post it. So it's a social narrative for when someone is angry at you. Yesterday we talked about for when you're angry and how to deal with when you're feeling angry. So now we're going to learn about how to deal with when someone else is angry at you. Okay. I know that sometimes other people get angry at me. The people who care about me most sometimes get angry with me. My mom sometimes gets angry if I forget to clean my room or if I give the fish too much food. My sister sometimes gets angry with me if I take her toys and do not give them back. My teachers get angry with me if I do not try my best or if I bother other students. So there's an angry parent. People show that they are angry with me in different ways. Some people yell, some people make faces that look a little scary, and some people tell me with words that they are angry. So if someone's angry, they might look like something like this. Red face, clenched fists, kind of that angry pout. When people are angry with me, I feel sad and worried. It makes me wish that I did not do the things that made them angry. Sometimes I worry that they do not love me anymore or that they will always be angry with me. So here's a worried kid because he's thinking about all these things that I just read. When I get sad because someone is angry with me, sometimes I cry or feel very small and quiet. Other times I get a lot of energy and start acting really silly. So this is a picture of someone who's crying because someone's angry with her. It helps to apologize to the person. I can say, I'm really sorry for making you angry. I can listen carefully to what the person says about it and think about how to try harder next time. So here's a person saying, I am sorry, so I'm sorry I made you angry. It also helps to tell myself, that person really loves me. This helps me remember that the angry feelings will not last forever. So no one's going to be angry at you forever because you got to remember that they love you still. You just might have done something to upset them. Sometimes I write the person a note saying that I will try harder next time, and sometimes I do something especially nice to make up for it. So there we go. So see, it looks like this boy upset this girl, and he's saying, I'm sorry, but also giving her flowers to try and do something nice for her because he realized that he upset her. So that was the end of our story, but I feel like it gave you some really good points. First point being, no one's going to stay angry forever. So don't feel like they don't love you anymore, or that they're going to be upset with you forever. And then when someone is angry with you, different people react in different ways. Some people cry, some people get upset, but it's okay however you're feeling. You can instead remind yourself, let's see, what did it say? You can remind yourself that that person really does love you, and that their angry feelings are not going to last forever. And it really helps if you apologize. So you can say, I'm really sorry for making you angry. And then after saying that, you can listen to them and listen to what they have to say about you making them angry, and how you can, and they can probably give you some pointers on how to not make them angry in the future. And it's also nice too that with an apology, sometimes you could write them a nice note or do something nice for them to make up for it. Like maybe get them a special treat, or like in our story, this boy upset this girl, so he said sorry and then got her flowers. So I hope this reminded some of us the different things that we can do in case someone is ever angry at you. But that is all I have for today. So I will post these completed slides on the Google Classroom, and then also be posting this morning meeting video on there. But other than that, this is all I have. So happy Thursday, and get ready for some mystery bag fun tomorrow during our morning meeting, since it's Friday. All right, everyone, have a wonderful Thursday. Talk to you tomorrow.